What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Z and I'm back again with another product review video. Today I'm going to review this product, one car stereo. So every time I traveled in a long distance, my problem was I couldn't able to watch any movies. So this is my screen. I have a 2019 Toyota RAV4. So for me to watch any videos, I have to install an external device. So this company One Car Stereo approached me and sent me this beautiful device where you can play YouTube, you can watch Netflix, you can watch Amazon Prime, and I'm gonna show you how to install this and how you can watch this on your car. But make sure do it and use it on your own risk because it's dangerous when you are driving. So let's say if you are parked somewhere and you want to watch certain stuff, so this is the best option. But again, I'm advising you, this is not a safe option. Be safe out there. So this is the device. It came with the box and it came with the wire as well, as you can say. So you have to plug this device into your Carplay and it comes with the wire as well. Here you can see this is the main screen of this device. So you can see it has navigation, it has music, they have videos. You can connect your phone to your Bluetooth. This is car information. There is setting. You can go to the setting and you can navigate, you can change the language and all that stuff. Then you can go to the apps, and there are certain apps. They have Play Store. So basically it is all an Android phone. Whatever you seen on your Android phone, that's what you're gonna see here as well. So they have Gmail, they got Disney Plus, they got Amazon Prime. You can see there's a Chrome, there is a Sling TV app I downloaded recently, YouTube, Hulu, Spotify, Netflix, Google Map. Anything you want to use it, you can use it on this device. So this is one of the best device right now in the market. So I'm gonna show you this one. This is YouTube. Look, so this is my channel. As you can see, while you are driving or while you park your car somewhere, you can watch this live. That's it. Look, as you can see, you can watch live YouTube here. So if you want to go back, tap here and go back. And you can see, you can minimize your screen as well. And if you want to exit this screen, just click here. Your screen is exited. These are all the apps you can use on this device. So let's say you want to use the map. This is your Google map, and it is the same map you can use on your phone, but this is a higher quality map. Let's say you want to go to New York City. You can put the New York City and they will take you to New York City. Again, this is a better version of your Android phone. So if you want to go back, just touch this one and go back. Again, this is one of the best device out there in the market right now, One Car Stereo, and I really thank you to these people who sent me this product, and I've been using this from last 15 days and I love this product. If you guys want to order this product for your car, make sure hit the link in the description below. Stay blessed, be safe, peace out.